Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to create a playlist on VLC media player. First of all, you can open the VLC application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, in the video sections at the bottom left corner of the screen you can see the different videos here. In my case, I cannot have any video in my VLC, so if you have a video in your VLC, you can just simply tap on the three dots that is bottom right corner of the screen, and after tapping on it you can see the different options here. So you can just simply tap on the option add to playlist. After tapping on add to playlist, you can just simply enter the name of the playlist and you can now tap on save. After saving, you can go to the playlist options at the bottom middle of the screen, and here you will find the playlist that you created, and it is a way you can create a playlist on VLC media player. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.